The Salish is one of the world's largest inland seas, covering 10,000 square miles.
Hey, guys. Hey, welcome.
Cy Scammell co-founded a nonprofit to help protect the local orca population.
They're the most amazing creatures on the planet. There's two different types of orcas. The transient orcas, which are mammal-eating orcas. They eat pinnipeds, they eat little dolphins and smaller whales. I mean, they're fierce. They are the sea wolves.
That top of the food chain appetite is why transient orcas are called killer whales. Now, despite their nickname, Cy says orcas rarely bother humans.
And then there are the resident orcas that eat smaller fish and stuff.
Salmon specifically.
Salmon.
Yeah, the southern residents and the northern residents. So the southern residents inhabit this area of the Salish Sea. It's a very scary time because they're on the brink of extinction.
Resident orcas are struggling to survive because their main food source, the Chinook salmon, is growing scarce in these waters. Chinook salmon are born in freshwater streams. They travel to the ocean to grow into adulthood, then return to streams to spawn. Overfishing and habitat loss have endangered the Chinook, and dams pose a threat when the speed of water flow is altered or access to spawning areas is blocked.
That's what we're fighting for, is trying to bring the salmon back. I mean, it always comes down to food supply, right, for everything.
And for the southern resident orcas, salmon is everything. They comprise 80% of their diet. Cy says one hungry orca could scarf down more than 350 pounds of salmon in a day. The lack of Chinook salmon in the Salish Sea is sending the starving resident orcas to other places in search of food.
It's always awesome when we get out on some of these smaller boats and you really get to enjoy the ride.
37 species of mammals make their home in the San Juan Islands, as do more than 170 kinds of birds.
We got a bald eagle up ahead.
Oh, come on, land. Oh, yeah.
It's amazing. We've already seen like 4 bald eagles. They're everywhere out here.
Bald eagles are foragers that feed mostly on fish and waterfowl. Breeding bald eagles need large trees near open water in places away from a lot of people. That makes the Salish Sea a perfect nesting spot. And they've got neighbors.
We've got a little Harbour Seal swimming around in the kelp right over here. He just popped his head up and he went down. Probably catching some fish, right?
Hope so.
Now, Harbour Seals are true seals in the sense that they don't have like external ear flaps like we do. They just really have holes in the side of their heads, which is interesting. The different things that make things true seals.
Harbour seals are pinnipeds, a meat-eating, fin-footed marine mammal. They're most comfortable in water, but they spend time on land too, caring for their young.
All right, we got 2 Harbour Seals. I think it's a baby nursing.
Oh, yeah, I see one.
You see it?
Right up here on the side of the island.
Look at that, they're kissing.
Oh, wow.
Mom's taking care of her baby.
Oh.
And nursing now. Oh, man, that's so cute.
This pup was probably about 24 pounds when it was born, but it will grow to be at least 180 pounds and between 5 and 6 feet long.
They can dive down 300 feet and stay underwater for up to like 28 minutes. That's incredible. I mean, we're gonna be going free diving later today. I'll be lucky if I can stay down for 28 seconds.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Make sure to leave any questions or comments that you have.
And please subscribe to the channel. There's a lot more to come.